Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to make these buttered, oiled, delicious Italian pasta, then keep on watching. For the ingredients, this is what you'll be needing. You're going to need extra virgin olive oil, some kind of butter. I can't believe it's not butter, but you can use whatever you have. Some garlic powder. If you have fresh garlic on hand, that will be even better. I have black pepper, Italian seasoning. Italian seasoning has like basil, rosemary, oregano, all crushed up into one little tube. And I have parsley flakes because, believe it or not, parsley is not in the Italian seasoning. And last but not least, I'm using some Himalayan salt, but you could just use table salt if you have. And then you're going to need pasta, of course. So I only had spaghetti in my pantry, so that's what I'm using. But I would have probably used this with like bow tie or a rigatoni. You know, you could use any pasta, literally. All right, now, some of y'all may not know what this is. Some of y'all may. Now, if you want to make it super duper fancy and more flavorful, I definitely recommend that you add some black truffle olive oil. So black truffle, for those who don't know, is a kind of mushroom. It's very hard to get, so that means it's super expensive. This is a little bottle. It's only 3 ounces, and I think it cost me like $7. But it's so worth it. You don't need much. You need like a few drops. That's it. So if you want to be fancy and you want a real flavorful pasta, definitely add some of this. If you don't have this at home, leave it out, skip it out. You honestly don't need it because it's going to be good anyway. Just throwing that out. I always add olive oil and salt to my pasta water, and I'm cooking my pasta until it's soft. I don't like my pasta al dente, which is kind of a little bit hard still. I like mine like mushy. So that's how I'm going to cook it, but it's totally up to you on how you would like to cook your pasta. All right, so now I'm just going to drain my pasta. And then return the pasta back to the pan. Now, please forgive me. I don't have my tripod today. This was kind of like a last minute thing. So I didn't even go get it. I was too lazy. So forgive my my camera work here. So first thing I'm going to do is add 2 tablespoons of butter. But that's just to start. I'm just going to kind of eye it out. As you're going to see, I'm going to add 2. And then I'm probably going to add another one. I want it to be coated. All right, now I'm going to add the olive oil, and I'm just going to put about a tablespoon and just mix it around. All right, now I'm adding all of my dry seasonings. Please forgive my camera work here. So I'm adding my black pepper. That's about a teaspoon. I'm adding my garlic powder. That's about a tablespoon. Now, this Italian seasoning was so hard to get out with one hand, but I'm going to be adding about 1 tablespoon of this. And then my parsley, I'm going to be adding just a teaspoon. And now I'm going to add my salt. All right, y'all. So now I'm about to get real fancy on y'all and add my black truffle oil. I'm going to just put about 10 drops in my pasta. You don't need much, like I said earlier. And then mix. Finish off with some parsley on top, and that's it. You have a delicious Italian pasta full of flavor, butter, olive oil, all the Italian spices. Finish this off with some Parm cheese and garlic bread, and your family is going to love this. Thank you guys for checking my channel out. I really appreciate all the love. Please go follow my Instagram at Cooking with Kelly Michelle. once I hit 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, I am going to be doing a giveaway. You don't want to miss it, so make sure you go follow my Instagram for more details. Thank you for the love and support, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this recipe, please follow my page at Cooking with Kelly Michelle on Instagram. Make sure to like my video, and if you use my recipe, please tag me in all of your photos and videos. Thanks so much for watching.